Hi guys! Mabuhay! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Samgyup Korean Restaurant dito sa SM Novaliches para itry ang kanilang Samgyupsal. Samahan ninyo ako! Tara! Ayun guys, so nandito nga tayo sa SM Novaliches, second floor, Samgyup Korean Restaurant para sa authentic experience natin or authentic Korean dining experience. Ayan, sa kanilang unlimited Korean barbecue. So yung kanilang price list, pork and chicken, 399, beef, pork and chicken, 549. Pero kapag nag-shrimp na tayo, unlimited shrimp, ayan, 649 yung ating babayaran. Meron din sila dito ang unlimited shabu-shabu na nagsisimula sa 649 pesos. Ayan, meron din silang combo ng good for 2 and good for 4. Ayan, so everything or experience the ultimate Korean dining at home. Ayan, so dito meron silang mga pwede nating i-take out. Ayan, so yung price list nila nandito. Yan, sobrang dami nilang mga side dishes. Kaya siguradong sulit na sulit dito sa Samgyup Korean Restaurant. Tara, pasok na tayo! Yung space nila dito guys, hindi ganun kalaki. Pero yung capacity naman, parang kaya naman ng up to 70 to 80 persons siguro. Ayan, so yung tables nila, marami-rami naman. Pero hindi ganun ka spacious. Ayan, saktong-sakto lang sa mga barkada, pamilya, ayan. So, titingnan natin kung masarap ba yung kanilang pork, yung Korean pork barbecue nila dito and yung kanilang mga side dishes. Yung kanilang pork and beef dito guys, grabe. So, kaya pala ganun din sila kamahal dahil talagang quality yung sineserve nilang mga pork and beef. And yung kanilang mga side dishes naman, wala ako rin masabi dahil talagang masarap din. Talagang authentic nga yung kanilang mga sineserve ditong mga Korean foods. Ayan, nakakatuwa kasi bago pa kami pumasok dito, in-inform na kami na naubusan sila ng lettuce and on the way pa lang daw yung kanilang in-order mula dun sa kanilang branch. Ayan, kaya natuwa rin kami kasi habang kumakain na kami, nagsisimula na kaming kumain, ay dumating na yung kanilang mga lettuce. Ayan, tapos talagang na-enjoy din namin yung kanilang mga side dishes dito, lalong-lalo na yung soup. Ayan, and yung pork talaga, natutuwa ako kasi talagang quality yung mga pork and beef na sinerve nila sa amin. So, ayan, tara, kain tayo!
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black